Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this CRV key fob. You do not need any tools, but you do need one of the 2032 batteries, and you can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I will take you straight there. So you want to press this silver button and pull out your mechanical key. Now, use your mechanical key, insert it right here, and give it a twist. So you just want to kind of put it in there and twist. Then you can use your mechanical key here, pry out the dead battery. Okay, dead battery is out. New battery goes in, positive side facing up. This part is a little tricky. You want to line these up perfectly. This piece can be kind of tricky to get lined up. There we go. And then put your key back in place and you're all set. Click right here, make sure your red light's working, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up.